Good morning, my dear students. In today's lecture, we shall proceed exercise 9.2. In the previous lecture, I think you remember, 12th questions were done. Now we have to start with 13th question. Now 13th question is very simple question, and I am leaving that question for you. You can try yourself. If any doubt, you may ask it. Starting with 14th questions today. 14th question, given that insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 so that the resulting sequence is an AP. We have 8 and 26. We have to insert 5 numbers. Let I am writing A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. These 5 numbers is inserted. Now how many terms total are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms, in which we have A is equal to 8 and A7 is equal to 26. This is 7th term. Now A7 means what? A plus 6D is equal to 26. We have got 8. So 8 plus 6D is equal to 26. 6D is equal to 18. 26 minus 8. So D is equal to what? 3. So we have got A and we have got D. So we can find all the terms. So see, this A1 is second term of the sequence. A1 is second term of the sequence. So what we have? A1 is A plus D. This is 8 plus 3 is 11. A2 is A plus 2D. This is 8 plus 2 into 3 is 14. A3 is, we have 8 plus 3 into 3 is 17. A4 is 8 plus 4 into 3 is 20. A5 is 8 plus 5 into 3, 23. So these are the answers. Is it? So very simple question was. Now I am solving question number 15. It is very important question, and you can see this. You can pause the video to write the answer. We are given a to the power n plus b to the power n upon a to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n minus 1 is arithmetic mean between a and b. Arithmetic mean, that is am in short. So we write, this is question number 15. Am between A and B is what? A plus B by 2, means average, and its value is given. What is given? A to the power n plus B to the power n upon A to the power n minus 1 plus B to the power n minus 1 is equal to what? A plus B by 2. Cross multiply this side. We have 2a to the power n plus 2b to the power n. This side multiply. We have a to the power n. How? A to the power n minus 1 into a, that is a to the power n, plus ab to the power n minus 1 plus b into a, ba to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n, b into this. Bring all the terms in one side. So what we have? 2a to the power n minus a to the power n plus 2b to the power n minus b to the power n minus, bring this term, ab to the power n minus 1 minus ba to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what we have? This becomes a to the power n plus b to the power n, subtracting this. Now we have minus a to the power a into b to the power n minus 1 minus b into a to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to make the brackets taking first and third together, second and fourth together. So see, a to the power n minus a b to the power n minus 1 together minus b a to the power n minus 1 minus b to the power n is equal to 0. See, from here a is common. So if a is common, we have a to the power n minus 1 minus b to the power n minus 1 minus b is common. So we have a to the power n minus 1 minus b to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0 here. Now a minus b together and a to the power n minus 1 minus b to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0. So a to minus b becomes 0, sending right side. So what we have, a to the power n minus 1 minus b to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0. Send this term this side. What we have, a to the power n minus 1 is equal to b to the power n minus 1. Now again bring this term into left, but taking care, write 1 into 1 for your precaution. And if you bring this term this side, 1 is left and this comes into denominator. So what we have, a to the power n minus 1 upon b to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1. We can write a upon b whole to the power n minus 1 is equal to, we can write this, a upon b to the power n 0. Any number having power 0 is equal to 1. Since it was a upon b this side, so we have taken a upon b this side also. Comparing the exponent, what we have, n minus 1 is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1 is your answer of this question. So it was important question for you. You can practice all these questions. Now I am solving question number 16. You can pause the video and note down the solution. Question number 16 is, between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is an AP and the ratio of 7th number and m minus 1th number is 5:9. Find the value of m. Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted. I am writing, see, a1, a2, a3, so on. This is am minus 2, this is am minus 1, this is am. M numbers have been inserted. So here what we have, a is equal to 1, first term. And how many total terms are now? M terms are inserted and 2 terms, 1 and 31 given. The total m plus 2 terms. So we have am plus 2 is equal to 31, last term. Now for write the formula of this, we have a plus m plus 2 minus 1 into d is equal to 31. A we have got 1 plus this is m plus 1 into d is equal to 31. Send this. So what we have, m plus 1 into d is equal to 30. Let this is an equation. Now 7th number and m minus 1th number, this is 31. If you move backward, this mth term is what? 31 minus d, and this term is what? 31 minus 2d. m minus 1th number is 31 minus 2d, and Seventh number is eighth term from beginning. If you count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, seventh number, so including 1 it becomes eighth term. And the ratio is given what? A8 upon 31 minus 2D is equal to 5:9. 5 upon 9 ratio is given. Seventh number and m minus 1th number. So eighth term is a plus 7d upon 31 minus 2d is equal to 5 upon 9. Cross multiply, we have a is equal to 1. I am writing 1. Cross multiply, 9 plus 63d is equal to 155 minus 10d. Bring this d this side. We have 73d is equal to 146. D is equal to 2. Write the value of d in equation number 1. From 1, m plus 1 into 2 is equal to 30. 2 15 times. Send this one this side. So m is equal to 15 minus 1 is equal to 14 is your answer. So this is the answer of this question. This was question number 16. Question number 17 is very simple. A man starts repaying a loan as the first installment is rupees 100 and every next installment is increased by rupees 5. Then what is the amount paid in the 30th installment? Very simple. First installment 100, then 105, then 110, then 115, 125 and so on. Last term we have to find nth term. So we can find it very easily. So you will find all this question number 17 yourself. I am coming to last question of the exercise. In the last question we are given the difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degree. If the smallest angle is 120, then find the number of sides in the polygon. If we suppose that this is 18th question, let number of sides is equal to n, then sum of interior angles, you know it, what is it? N minus 2 into 180 degree, and the smallest angle is given 120, common difference is 5 degree, then 125, 130 degree and so on. The last angle is a plus n minus 1 into d, that is nth term. So what is it? 120 plus n minus 1 into 5. So sum of all these terms is this much. So it is an AP. Find the sum of AP. So we have, see, n by 2, 2 into 120 first term plus n minus 1 into 5 common difference is equal to, this is 180 n minus 360. I have multiplied this 180 inside. Multiply this to this side and multiply n here. We have n times of 240 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to, this is 360n minus 720. Multiply this here. What we have? 5n square plus 235n. Why? 240 minus 5. Bring this. Minus 360n plus 720 is equal to 0. This is 5n square minus 125n plus 720 is equal to 0. Divide this by 5. Divided by 5. So we have n square minus 25n plus 144 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize this. 16 9s are 144, 16 plus 9 25. So we have n square minus 16n minus 9n plus 144 is equal to 0. N is common. We have n minus 16 minus 9 is common. N minus 16 is equal to 0. So we have the factors n minus 9 and n minus 16 is equal to 0. N is equal to 16 and n is equal to 9. Now both are positive, but only one is valid. So let's check. This is last angle, and you know the fact that interior angle of a polygon is never more than 180 degree. So what to do? We have to check for what value of n it is less than 180 degree. So let's see. Writing last angle 120 plus 16 minus 1 into 5. This is 120 plus 75 is equal to 195, which is more than 180 degree. It means n is equal to 16 is not applicable. N is equal to 16 is not applicable. Therefore, n is equal to 9 is your answer of this question. Got it? So, this was the last question of the exercise. In next lecture, we shall see some more questions of AP and arithmetic mean. Is it okay? Till then, God bless you and thank you very much.